It's as simple as this. Welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I'm going to be going through one of my favorite and most useful websites that are out there right now, in my opinion, when creating content, whether getting videos online, photos, and any different type of platform that I use. This website right here, Pexels, okay, Pexels.com. It's a completely free to use website, at least right now in 2023, that allows me to gather different types of content and stock videos, stock photos to use for the content that I'm creating. So let's just quickly walk through this. This is the main page right here, and I do have an account, but it's completely free. I just have it, in case I wanted to upgrade eventually, but 99% of what you use on here is completely free, and for everything I use, I've never paid a penny to this website. So this is the home page. You can look through right here, and this is your search bar, and you can go through either photos or videos, and I normally do videos. And for videos, I like to do a lot, obviously, with stock trading and investing. So let's type in stock market. So it pulls up already over here, as you can see on the left, 16,000 different photos, stock photos that are completely free, and they're high quality photos as well. Then I go over here, and we have 2.5 thousand different types of videos that I can use, again, completely for free. They give you a preview if you hover over it. It's just good for more like cinematic type of videos and just short clips that you can put into your content you're making. So if you want to do a voiceover for something, it's always helpful with that. And then you can go under users, and if you have like specific users that you follow that make content, you can find videos or photos through that way. But I normally just go through photos and videos. And for videos, okay, so this is where things get interesting, is where obviously you're making content in different types of platforms. You have different styles of videos. So you have the horizontal videos and you have the vertical videos. So if I go over here to filters, I can filter this by the orientation. So I can actually do, if I'm making a YouTube video, I can do horizontal videos only, and it gives me all the options for horizontal videos. And you'll see once in a while a random video thrown in that probably doesn't make sense with the word stock market, but for the most part, a lot of these stock videos are perfect for what I'm looking to use the videos for. I throw them in there really quick, they're easy to use, they're easy to download. So these are all horizontal. If I was making like a TikTok or some sort of YouTube short or Instagram reel, I could do the vertical. And again, these are some of the same videos, some different videos, and they're all vertical, okay? So the orientation is definitely a key feature under this filter over here. And you can definitely play around with like the sizes and everything like that, but I normally just go with horizontal or vertical. And to actually download a video, let's go to this video right here. Now you can click onto it, and you can get a little more information, like who the creator is, more videos like this, all that different stuff. Oh, here's the creator up here in the top corner. You can donate to them as well. But literally, free download, and it pops up with this, says thanks, and there's your video. It literally is that simple. I'm not playing around with you guys on this one. It's completely free. I don't know if you've heard of it before, but Pexels.com, P-E-X-E-L-S. You're able to download different types of stock videos, stock photos, and this video is 14 seconds long. Most of the videos on here are no more than 30 seconds to a minute, so it's good for quick, just like filler videos, and basically, like I said, stock videos and stock photos that you're able to put on there and just kind of fill in your videos. But again, it doesn't have to do with the stock market. You can do literally anything. Jumping rope. Let's see how specific we'll get down to here. Workout videos. You could do any type of stock videos with this, okay? Stock footage, basically. So there's a lot you can do with this. It's just helping out for different content creators. Working out, boom. Then you have all these different types of videos. You can go to photos. You can do different orientation. Obviously, 37,000 different videos. You can narrow it down to vertical videos if you're making a reel, whatnot. But definitely, guys, check this website out. I'm not sponsored by them, but I'm just letting you guys know this is a very helpful tool that I have figured out in the past, and it's definitely saved me a lot of time when trying to get those stock footage type videos or photos when uploading my own content. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe if you're new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.